Hi, I'm Jordan, Lead Data Scientist at EarthSense, and today in this video I'm going to show you what you get inside the box when you get a Zephyr air quality monitor. Inside your box you will find four things. Find a QR code, your Zephyr, two steel ties and a power cable. The first thing you'll find when you open the box is a QR code which gives you access to all of our Zephyr resources. The next thing in the box is the Zephyr air pollution monitor, and here we have our interaction button, we have our DC power input, we have our data port, and then we've also got an LED light indicator. Then on the underside of the Zephyr we have our fan inlet and outlet, and then on the other side we have our spare cartridge slot. Also within the box we have our power cable for indoor use. And we have our steel ties, which we use to install on lampposts. If you've decided to power your Zephyr with a solar panel, you will receive a second box, and in that you will get a solar panel bracket, a vertical post bracket, cross members for the back of the solar panel, and two steel ties so you can connect your Zephyr to a lighting column. You'll also receive fixtures to connect all of these bits together. Within your pack of fixtures you'll find 4 M6 by 16 hex set screws, 4 M6 spring washers, 4 M6 penny washers, 4 M5 by 12 pan posi screws, 4 M5 by 16 pan posi screws, 8 flanged nylock nuts, 4 M5 penny washers, and 4 M5 plain washers. If you need any more support with regards to installing your Zephyr or your solar panel, don't hesitate to get in contact with us with the details in the box below. Thank you for watching.